It doesn't matter what he said or she said. XMOTION premium dashboard cameras provide video evidence. Don't just take the hit. XMOTION premium dashboard cameras are watching even when you're not. True high-definition recording, 2-channel camera. Parking surveillance recording, format-free technology. G-sensor shock detector, time-lapse recording. Advanced night vision, supercapacitor. Advanced driver assistance system, ADAS. Featuring crystal clear picture quality, full touchscreens, and battery drainage protection, XMOTION premium dashcams give you peace of mind on the road and on the lot. Find the full lineup on Amazon and xmotionus.com.